we got a 2011 Ford Flex, and I got a cabin air filter that I'm going to replace. And they're not supposed to be too difficult. You open the glove box door, and it has I don't know what you call it, shock absorber, but you have to unhook that. There we go, like that, and then push it out of the hole. Ooh, there we go. Just push it out of the hole, and then you just push in on the side of the glove box, and do the same thing on the other side. Just kind of push out, and the glove box should fold right on down. There we go. Now then, the cabin air filter should be right inside this little door. That little door should come off really easy. Maybe I need a little screwdriver is what I need. There we go. There we go. It just kind of pops out from the bottom. Probably over on this other side also. I don't know if I can get it from this side. I had to get my other hand in here. There we go. Oop, just popped off. Alright. I do want to hang on to that. And there is the cabin air filter right there. Man, it looks like it is dirty, nasty. I don't know why I didn't bring a little screwdriver or a pair of pliers or something, but I didn't. There we go. Just like that. Yeah, that's pretty dirty. Both sides. So it's never been changed for sure. We haven't had the car but a couple of years, and I thought, well, I better check it. Alright, let's get the new one. And just like it's gonna be simple, slide it right back in. It's got this little thing over here in the way. You kind of have to really. There we go. There we go. Got it in there. There's a little bitty latch right there. So this needs to go up underneath and then push in. Yep, that's it. Goes underneath these two little old tabs at the top and then pushes in at the bottom. There's two little old tabs at the bottom. Didn't know that getting it off. But that is fairly simple. Now we have to get this thing hooked back up. See? Put it in the hole and then push it back down. There we go. Now then, you just push in on the sides and get that back in there. And when it floats down, that's what that little old shock absorber thing does, whatever you want to call it. But that is how you change a cabin air filter. 2000 Ford Flex. 2011 Ford Flex. Alright, I guess that's it for now.